This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a new Salesforce org. Whether you're a developer looking to test new features or a business owner exploring CRM solutions, setting up a Salesforce org is a crucial step. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to developer.salesforce.com/signup. This is where we'll begin creating your new Salesforce org. As you land on the page, you'll notice a straightforward sign-up form that requires some personal and organizational details. Now, let's fill in those details. Start by entering your first and last name. This is important because Salesforce will use this information to personalize your experience and any communications they send to you. Next, provide your email address. Make sure it's one you have easy access to because Salesforce will send a verification email to this address to complete the sign-up process. Moving on, you'll need to specify your role. The role you choose can be anything that best describes your current position or the capacity in which you're planning to use Salesforce. If you're unsure, don't worry too much about this step. It's mainly used for Salesforce's internal purposes to better understand their user base. After that, you'll be asked to enter a company name. This doesn't have to be a registered business name. If you're an independent developer or just testing things out, feel free to be creative here. The company name is mainly for identification within the Salesforce system. Then, pick your country from the drop-down menu. This ensures Salesforce provides you with the most relevant regional settings and support. Following that, enter your postal code. This is another piece of information that helps Salesforce tailor your experience. Now, it's time to choose a username. Your username must be in the form of an email address, so something like user@company.dev would work. However, it's important to note that this doesn't have to be a real email address, but it does need to be unique within the Salesforce system. If you encounter any issues, try a different combination until you find one that works. Finally, when all your information is filled out, locate the Sign Me Up button. Once you're sure everything is correct, go ahead and click it. This will submit your registration and trigger the final steps in the sign-up process. After you've clicked Sign Me Up, keep an eye on your email inbox. You should receive a verification email from Salesforce. This is a crucial step as you'll need to verify your email address to activate your new Salesforce org. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for a new Salesforce org. This new environment will allow you to explore Salesforce's powerful features, whether you're developing apps, testing workflows, or simply getting to know the platform. Remember, Salesforce offers extensive documentation and support to help you get the most out of your new org, so don't hesitate to make use of those resources. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring with your new Salesforce org.